Hello everyone, I have an unboxing for the next D-Stash painting, so don't go anywhere. Well, hello, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm going to unbox the next D-Stash canvas. This is a very colorful one, guys. Very colorful. And I hope it's a sort out one because it's pretty. Well, what is it? Rainbow roses. Guys, it is beautiful. And my sister and I are going to work on this together. So this was another one that we bought when Joann's was going out of business, and I did not realize we already had one. So we went crazy when Joann's was going out of business. We did. Okay. But we didn't get them when they were really high percentage. So don't think we got them for like $3, because we didn't. We got them for higher than that. I think it was, honestly, I think it was like 40 or 50%, because that's where they were the longest. So this one has 55 colors, including 3 ABs, for a total of 72,800 drills. This one's got some drills, guys. And it's a decent size. It's 32 by 22. Wow, I didn't realize how big it was. All right, here is your cute, adorable little sticker, which I'm going to put in the toolkit. This is your toolkit. Now, this painting came with a pair of tweezers, but I wonder if I just put this in there. But I don't know, because it doesn't say Diamond Art Club on it. So I don't know if this was the way they came. I mean, they must have, because this hasn't been opened. So it must be. There's your pen. And there's your mess of bags. So let me put them in a baggie. So here's your bag of baggies. Right there. Your squishy and your pen. And 2 heart waxes, which I do happen to like. And your 3-placer for the other end of your pen. So let me put this beautiful sticker in there. And then put your bag of baggies with your tray and your tweezers. And where is your pen? It is right here. This had to be how it came, because I haven't opened this yet. So, yeah. Had to be. Had to be. Okay. It did come with the marketed Diamond Art Club bag. Okay. Let me move the toolkit. And this way. Look at this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Colorful. And it has 3 ABs. No fairy dust, because I think this was before fairy dust. Here is your colors. I will make a copy of this, just so if something happens in shipping, you have the color grid. So, and you get this big, large sticker, your instructions. Wonderful. And as you can see, it says Joann's right there. And here are the colors. Oh my. Let me see if I can find this A-Beast. And this is a square kit, meaning the drills, excuse me, the drills are square shaped. So let me bring it down. If you look close, you'll see that they're squares. Okay? Let's see if you can see it better here. Yeah, a little bit. They are square drills. Beautiful colors. Oh, I see the ABs. All right, let's see if I can do this without messing everything up. Okay, right there, 132. Those are your ABs. Look at the shine. Oh my goodness. 132 is the number 2, and these are going to go in this flower. They're going to go right in here, in this big center flower right here. They're going to go in all of the middle of the flowers, all in the middle. Okay, I saw another AB. There it is. There it is. Oop, there it is. It is a green. And it is number 3. And in the view of the camera, I can't see where it goes. Okay, here we go. Right in here. These flowers are going to be really, really pretty. Just saying. Okay, I hope I'm not messing up these colors. And, okay, and here is, so we need a blue. 120. There it is. Here is the other AB. Wow. And these are square drills. If there's another, if you want a fairy dust for this, let me know what you're looking for, and I will look to see if I have it, and I could throw a packet in of fairy dust for you. This canvas does not come with a warranty, but look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? All right, let's change the view so you can see truly how big it is. Yeah, sorry it's so dark. At least it looks dark on the camera to me. But you can see how dark it is. I mean, how colorful it will be. See how big? You can see it better here. Just know that it's 32 inch by 22 inch. It is a beautiful canvas. Patty, we need to do ours. We need to do it. So, and whoever gets this can join and do it with us. I mean, why not? We could have all the whips going on. You know what I mean? All the whips. So let me know if you want fairy dust with this canvas and what color you would like. So it's a square and it's got 72,000 diamonds. That's a lot of diamonds. So it'll probably take you a month. Everyone have a wonderful day. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm on getting ready to do the next one. Okay, stay tuned. Be kind.